Can you beat my mom? Hey everybody, this is my mom, Leslie. Mom, how old are you?
70.
Mom is 70 years old. She's up here visiting, so I wanted to take a chance to give you the opportunity to try to beat my mom in a dead hang. When I put out my video on pull-ups for beginners this last year, my mom watched it, called me, said, should I buy a pull-up bar? I said yes. She bought one. How long was your first dead hang, Mom?
6 miserable seconds, not minutes. 6 seconds.
6 miserable seconds on her first dead hang. She's been practicing her dead hangs regularly. As we mentioned in that video, it's linked in the description below. So today, Mom's gonna do a dead hang, and you have to try to beat my mom in a dead hang. You ready to go, Mom? Here we go.
I think so.
And 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so this is my mom doing a dead hang. I have a daughter, which means that my mom here is not just 70 years old, she's also a grandma. So your job is to do a dead hang and try to beat my mom, a 70-year-old grandma, and see if you can dead hang longer than her. How you feeling?
I'm fine.
20 seconds in. So dead hangs, good for grip strength, which is important if you want to do heavy weightlifting. If you're getting a bit older, it's really important for health and life function. It's also super good. Dead hangs are going to open up those shoulders and help with range of motion in the shoulders, as well as recovering from rotator cuff injuries, any sort of shoulder surgery or issues you've had. How you feeling?
Fine.
Good, 45 seconds in. Dead hangs also are going to decompress the spine. So this is a fantastic exercise to do. I always tell people, if you can buy one piece of gym equipment, buy a pull-up bar like this, like my mom has at her house, put it in your door and do this every night before bed. Really good for grip strength, which is super important in life and fitness. Really good for your spine and your shoulders, and it's just a great way to kind of relax and open up your body before you go to bed. My mom's rocking it here. We're at a minute 15. How you feeling?
It's getting there.
It's getting there. Now notice, by the way, is my mom wearing gym gear? No. So I keep on getting people saying like, oh yeah, my gym is closed and I don't have time for this and that. You guys make a million excuses not to work out. My mom is 70 years old. She has a pull-up bar on her door. She works out all the time. It's real simple. You've heard me say it a million times. The best workout is...
the one you do, and my grip is...
Are you getting there? You getting to the end? You got it, you got it. Hold tight, Mom. You got it. Here we go. We're gonna go for the full 2 minutes. You go. Oh, all right, there we go. 1 minute, 49 seconds. Good job, Mom. That was awesome. So we filmed this yesterday. We actually filmed this because yesterday she did a dead hang and she broke 2 minutes. So today,
we'll do it again.
Today, a little sore. She got 1 minute, 49 seconds. So that's your goal to beat. My 70-year-old mom, also a grandma, 1 minute, 49 seconds. Do it, post it, tag us, and have a good one. David Posnick and Leslie with Posnick Training. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Mom's about to hit a 2 minute. Wait, Mom, 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, come on down. Okay, wait, stop. 2 minutes. 2 minute dead hang. Good job, Mom. All right, you guys have to beat my mom, 70 years old, 2 minute dead hang.